Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 10th August. Let's start. In the year of 1809, on this day, Ecuador gained independence from Spain. In the year of 1821, on this day, Missouri was acknowledged as the 24th US state. In the year of 1831, on this day, 1,500 people died in a cyclonic storm in Caribbean island group of Barbados. In the year of 1860, on this day, Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande, a scholar of Hindustani classical music, was born. In the year of 1894, on this day, B.V. Giri, the fourth President of India, was born. In the year of 1920, on this day, after being defeated in the First World War, the Ottoman regime signed the Sevres Pact. In the year of 1939, on this day, Dirk Jan de Geer became Prime Minister of the Netherlands. In the year of 1962, on this day, Spider-Man, a favorite of children, appeared in the comic book Amazing Fantasy. In the year of 1963, on this day, Phulan Devi, the bandit queen, who reached the political corridors from the ravines of Chambal, was born. In the year of 1966, on this day, America sent the first spacecraft to take a picture of a suitable place for landing a rocket in space. In the year of 1977, on this day, Shyamlal Gupta Parsad, the author of the flag song Vijay Vishwa Tiranga Pyara, passed away. In the year of 1979, on this day, satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 was launched. In the year of 1986, on this day, General Arun Sridhar Vaidya, the 13th Chief of the Army Staff of the Indian Army, was assassinated by Harjinder and Sukhdev in Pune. In 1992, both the killers were hanged. In the year of 1990, on this day, after a journey of nearly 15 months, America's spacecraft Magellan reached Venus and lost contact with its operations center in California shortly after landing. In the year of 1995, on this day, noted writer and satirist Hari Shankar Parsai passed away. In the year of 1999, on this day, Indian Sanskrit scholar Padam Bhushan awardee Acharya Baldev Upadhyay passed away. In the year of 2003, on this day, the highest temperature ever recorded in England was 38.5 degrees Celsius. In the year of 2004, on this day, the Darfur Action Plan was signed between the United Nations and Sudan. In the year of 2006, on this day, 50 civilians were killed in Sri Lanka in military action against Tamil rebels. In the year of 2008, on this day, anti-AIDS vaccine was successfully tested in a lab in Chennai. In the year of 2010, on this day, India successfully test-fired the satellite positioning system-based aircraft operating system Gagan. In the year of 2018, on this day, on the occasion of Biofuel Day, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Parivesh web portal for giving clearance related to environment, wildlife, forest and coastal regulations sectors. In the year of 2020, on this day, Indonesia's volcano Mount Sinabung erupted. The volcano blew massive amounts of ash and smoke into the sky, creating a 16,400 feet tall smoke tower in the air. In the year of 2020, on this day, PM Modi inaugurated the submarine optical fiber cable OFC through video conferencing. It connects OFC, Chennai and Port Blair. PM Modi had laid the foundation stone of this project in Port Blair on 30 December 2018. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.